Hello everyone, 你好，大家好。Welcome to Chinese classroom. I am Wang 老师. Today we are going to learn integrated Chinese level 1, lesson 1, unit 1, part 1, vocabulary. How to say and ask people's name and the last name. Let's get started. 你 you. This part means people in Chinese. You are a person. You are wearing a hat. You are small. Look at your small body, your tiny arm. That's you. You are looking small. 你 我 I'm looking tall. My arm is holding a spell. This part in Chinese means spell. I was holding a spell in ancient time to protect myself and my property. 我 他 he and she pronounced the same. Look at ta, he. This means pluralical. Ta is a person, but this person, he got a very funny tail, a bit funny looking. That is him. Ta. How about she? This part means female woman. This lady, she also got a very funny tail. That is she. Ta. 你好 you 好 good hello 你好 Let's review 你我他好你好姓 last name family name. Remember this part means female and woman. How about the other parts? Means to give birth, life. Mama give birth to a baby. That's Xing. Last name. Xing. 我姓 My last name is 我姓王 My last name is Wang. How about yours? Will you tell me your last name? 我姓 I heard that. 很好。请问 请 please 问 to ask. This mean mouth. You ask people question with your mouth. 请问 May I ask? 您 您 您 is polite way to address you. 你 This is 你 How about this part? That is that's heart. You say you with all your heart, very politely and respectfully. 您 贵姓 贵 expensive 姓 last name 贵姓 honorable last name 贵姓李 Li is a Chinese family name, last name. Li means from. Li. Wang. Wang is also a Chinese family name, and it means king. Wang. Ne. How about you? 你呢 How about him? 他呢请问您贵姓？请问 May I ask 您贵姓 Your honorable last name 请问您贵姓我姓 My last name is 我姓你呢 How about you 你呢我姓 My last name is 我姓 Let's practice with them 请问您贵姓我姓李你呢我姓王 Let's do it one more time 请问您贵姓 May I know your honorable last name 我姓李你呢 My last name is Li How about yours 我姓王 My last name is Wang 再见叫 To call, to be called, to scream. This is mouth radical. You scream with your mouth. How about these parts? It looks like number 4. Do you know what is unlucky number in Chinese? Number 4. When you look at number 4, you will scream, oh, unlucky. 叫什么 What is a question word in Chinese? 什么名字 name 名 famous Look at this. This is the mouth radical. People call your name because you are famous. And 字 means words. Your name has words. 名字，名字，名字。我姓，我叫。Can you introduce your last name and your name to people? 我姓，我叫。And ask the other person, 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字 ？You 你叫 call 什么 ？What 名字 name? You call what name in Chinese way? All right. 我姓王，我叫王鹏，你叫什么名字？ My last name is Wang. I am Wang Peng. What is your name? 你叫什么名字？ Will you tell Wang Peng your name? 你叫什么名字？先生，先生，先生 Mr. Husband. If this 先生 is Wang 先生, Mr. Wang, you put the last name first, Wang 先生。王先生，他是王先生。先生，小姐，小姐，小姐，小 little 姐 sister little sister little young lady Miss 小姐，她是李小姐。李小姐 Miss Li. Last name go first in Chinese. 她是李小姐。李小姐，小姐。Let's review. 贵 means expensive. When to ask. 您 polite way of you. 请 please. 姓 last name. 贵姓贵 expensive. 姓 last name. 贵姓 honorable last name. 请问请 and when together, may I ask? 请问小姐 Miss. 先生 Mr. 什么 What? 你好 Hello. 叫 to call. 名字 name. 呢 how about? Good job. That's all for today's lesson. There's a video for this lesson's dialogues. Make sure you check it out and learn more Chinese. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 再见。